everyone, welcome to Cocinando con los Dwaynes. Today I'm going to show you how I make these delicious bee buñuelos or rosettes. They are so delicious. I make them with Nesquik and I make the chocolate and the strawberry flavor. And you're just gonna love them. They come out so delicious and crunchy. Okay, let's start. These are the ingredients that we are going to need to make our bee buñuelos or rosettes. I'm gonna make them strawberry and chocolate flavor. So we're gonna do 2 separate mixes. We're gonna use 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk, a pinch of salt to taste, 2 eggs, and 2 spoons of vanilla essence. And for the strawberry ones, I'm gonna use the Nesquik strawberry flavor. And for the chocolate ones, it's the same ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, 2 spoons of vanilla, and 2 spoons of the Nesquik, the chocolate flavor. Okay, and those are all the ingredients. Let's start making the mix. Okay guys, we're gonna start making the mix, the chocolate one first. We're just gonna mix all the ingredients and we're just gonna mix until everything is well mixed together. I mixed all the ingredients already. The only one that I didn't add yet is the flour. But now we're gonna use our strainer to strain the flour so it's nice and soft and we don't have any lumps in there. And we're gonna mix it all together. We are done mixing or mix, and it's nice and soft and it doesn't have any lumps in there. Remember that you don't need a mixer. You can use like a hand mixer, a whisker, and just make sure that it's completely mixed so you don't have any lumps in there. And now it's ready. I'm just gonna put it in a container and take it and leave it in the fridge for around 30 minutes to an hour. And that's gonna help eliminate all the little bubbles, air bubbles that we have in there. Okay, let's take it to the fridge. Okay, we're done with the chocolate ones. Now we're gonna start with the strawberry ones and we're gonna follow the same steps. We're gonna mix all the ingredients but the flour, and then we're gonna strain the flour, and then we're gonna mix everything together. Okay, our strawberry mix is ready. As you can see, it has less bubbles and it's the perfect thickness. It's not too runny or too thick. This is what you want. And now we're just gonna put it in a container and take it to the fridge and leave it there for around half to 1 hour. Smells delicious, by the way. This one and the chocolate one, they smell so good. This is the sugar that I'm gonna use for the buñuelos, for the rosettes that I'm gonna sprinkle on the top. This is just normal white sugar. And for the chocolate one, I added some of the chocolate powder, the same one that we used for the mix. And that's the one that I'm gonna sprinkle on top of the chocolate Buñuelos Rosettes. And for the strawberry, I'm gonna put some of the strawberry one. And I'm gonna mix it with the sugar. And this is the one that I'm gonna use for the strawberry buñuelos. You can use as much as you want, depending how sweet you want them or how many buñuelos you're gonna make. I can add a little bit more to make it a little bit more darker. It's up to you. Okay, I'm just gonna mix these and get it ready for the buñuelos. Okay, we have everything ready here to start making our buñuelos. We have our rosettes. We have the strawberry mix that we made. We have the chocolate mix. We have a thermometer to check the temperature. It has to be at 350. We have the oil getting hot and ready with the mold inside. And this is the oil that I use. This is just vegetable oil. I also have a tray where I'm gonna put my buñuelos to sprinkle the sugar. I have the sugar here, the strawberry and the chocolate sugar. And just a tray with paper towels where I'm gonna put my buñuelos. And now let's just wait until the oil is ready so we can start making our buñuelos. Okay, we check our temperature and it's at 350, so we're gonna start making our buñuelos. Do you see how easy it was? It just came off the mold and it has a nice brown color. Now we're just gonna take it out and sprinkle the chocolate sugar. Look how beautiful it looks. It smells delicious. It has the chocolate flavor not only in the butter and the mix but in the sugar. It smells and looks delicious and is crunchy and perfect. Okay, let's make a strawberry one now. Okay, this one came out perfectly too. If you notice that it got a little bit stuck in the mold, it was because I covered a little bit in one of the holes. I dipped the mold too much in the mix and it went over the top. It's not supposed to go over the top of the mold because then it's gonna get stuck and it's not gonna come out, but it's perfect. It's crunchy, it smells delicious, and a lot of people don't like it with bubbles, but if you can see, mine don't come out with a lot of bubbles, and it's fine if it has a little bit of bubbles. Okay, let's put some sugar in this one. And this is how the strawberry looks. If you want more sugar, you can add more sugar, so it looks more pink. And this is the chocolate one. The only thing that I recommend you is to do them in separate containers, not like I did it this time, because then you cannot really reuse the sugar for one or the other. So usually when I do them in separate containers, one for the strawberry and one for the chocolate one, so you can keep using the same sugar for the buñuelos. Okay, I'm gonna finish making all my buñuelos. See you in a minute. And we are still working in the buñuelos. Look how delicious they look. our rosettes. And we're making the strawberry and the chocolate. At the same time, I'm making 1 and 1. And let's finish making these buñuelos. And we are done making our delicious rosettes of buñuelos. Look how delicious they look. This is the chocolate and the strawberry. You can use the sugar mixed with the strawberry Nesquik or the chocolate Nesquik, or you can just use the powder chocolate or the powder strawberry to sprinkle your bean buñuelos or rosette. Look how delicious they look. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to Cocinando con los Dibuits.